It's fair to say that you can't make a bad choice when deciding between the 2024 BMW X3 and the 2024 Mercedes GLC. However, for the latest generation of both SUVs, it's clear there is a winner. The history. If we want to talk about the future, we'd better first take a look at the past. Let's do a little background check on our two SUVs here. The Mercedes-Benz GLC, a compact luxury crossover SUV, made its debut in 2015 for the 2016 model year, succeeding the GLK class. It's dubbed by Mercedes-Benz as the SUV sibling of the C-Class. Though considered compact, it nudges towards midsize on the US turf. Now in its second generation, the Mercedes-Benz GLC comes in two body styles, a traditional SUV and a sleeker GLC coupe. Mirroring the traits of the W206 C-Class, all models are equipped with four-cylinder engines, aided by mild hybrid technology. It also boasts four plug-in hybrid models, comprising three general models and one AMG-branded variant. Switching lanes to the BMW X3, this SUV, created by BMW in 2003, rests on the sturdy BMW 5 Series platform. Now in its third generation, BMW tags the car as a sports activity vehicle, an exclusive moniker for its plush X-Line range. Marking its territory as the first midsize premium SUV on the block, the X3, since 2008, locked horns with the Mercedes-Benz GLK class and a medley of other SUVs in this niche. It nestles between the larger X5 and X6 and the more compact X1 and X2. Its electric sibling goes by BMW iX3. The third-generation BMW X3 comes with several petrol, hybrid, and diesel powertrains. When it comes to diesel, we've got 2-liter straight 4 and 3-liter straight 6 models. If you're a petrol head, chances are you'll choose the 3-liter straight 6 or the more affordable 2-liter straight 4 or 2-liter straight 4 with electric motor on the xDrive 30e. What's more, 2019 saw the curtain rise on the X3M and X3M competition. The X3M comes strapped with a 3-liter S58 straight 6 engine, turning out 473 horsepower, while the competition models up the power to 503 horsepower. These ones should lock horns with the 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLC 43, which, although bearing the AMG badge, is still a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Unfortunately, Mercedes has dropped the previous twin-turbo 3-liter V6. That's a shame, really. So, compared to the GLC, the BMW still keeps true to that beautiful inline-6 engine. And even if you don't want an X3M, you can still get an xDrive 35D or xDrive 35i with a lot of panache. Word around the bend is that BMW is gearing up to unveil the 4th generation of the BMW X3 in 2024-25. But with scant details at hand, our comparison will pit the 3rd generation BMW X3 against the 2nd generation Mercedes-Benz GLC, the X254 or C254. Shall we continue? Performance. In terms of raw performance, the standard versions of the two SUVs are quite the same. On the one hand, we have the GLC 300 with a 2-liter inline-4 petrol engine and a mild hybrid system. It churns out about 255 horsepower, delivered by a 9-speed 9G-tronic automatic. On the other hand, we have the BMW xDrive 30i with a 2-liter inline-4 engine, churning out about 248 horsepower. Both cars perform very similarly in this range, giving you pretty much what you need, though you might crave a bit more kick at times. The good torque and smooth acceleration at medium speeds are great on both cars. The BMW's 8-speed automatic gearbox has a slight edge over the Mercedes 9-speed. It sends power to the wheels faster and shifts gears quicker, which feels more responsive. The suspension is tougher, handling almost like a sports sedan. The Mercedes, on the other hand, offers a much more comfy ride. Its suspension is gentle, allowing more body movement than the BMW, as it smooths out most bumps and dips on the road. The brakes are trustworthy and provide a good solid stopping power. Steering is light, yet provides a good connection to the road, making driving enjoyable. The X3 steering is typical of BMW. In the comfort setting, it's a bit too light and less precise. Switching to the sport mode adds a little too much weight, still lacking that road feel you get in the Mercedes GLC. Comfort and interior. Starting off with the BMW X3, the front seats are all about comfort, especially during long drives, thanks to their wide range of adjustments. When cruising, the X3 is super quiet, although there is some wind noise at freeway speeds, and the engine can get loud when you accelerate hard. Inside, you get a neat design with quality materials and closely fitted panels. The back seats have a reclining feature, which, along with the cushy seats all around, promises comfort over long distances. Compared to the Mercedes, rear passengers will be able to stretch out more in the X3, as leg and headroom are a little bit better in the BMW. The GLC cabin is also different in style. The most striking things inside the Mercedes are probably the uniquely designed air vents on the dashboard and the digitized controls for the infotainment and ventilation. The new steering wheel comes with touch-sensitive buttons. Other features include heated front seats with memory settings and adjustable lumbar support, ambient lighting, a power sunroof, and power rear liftgate. Technology features. BMW's iDrive system covers the basics of a modern luxury car's infotainment needs. The standard setup includes a 10.3-inch display with in-dash navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. There's an option to upgrade to a larger 12.3-inch display. While Bluetooth, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and one USB port come standard, additional features like a second USB port and a wireless smartphone charging pad are available at an extra cost. In the Mercedes, you get the latest MBUX infotainment system as a standard feature. The 12.3-inch digital display provides crucial driving information for the driver, while the 11.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, rising from the center console, helps you swoop through different settings. This system is voice command capable and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. While in-dash navigation is optional, it provides an engaging augmented reality feature that overlays directional cues on a real-time road view display. Other notable optional add-ons include a heads-up display and a Burmester premium stereo system that is really worth it. Lots of USB-Cs are available for everyone on board. There's also a wireless charger nestled in the center console, a nice addition, although it can be a bit tricky to reach, especially with drinks occupying the cup holders. Overall, the Mercedes GLC is more flashy and more luxurious. It comes with a digital gauge cluster as standard, and the BMW doesn't. However, some might say that the Mercedes lacks in user-friendliness and functionality. Another matter of preference is the voice control. We feel like Mercedes is a bit better at this chapter than BMW. Driver assistance and safety features. The X3 provides basic driver assistance features as standard, such as emergency braking with forward collision warning, lane departure warning, active blind spot detection, and speed limit. The Mercedes GLC also has standard automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection and blind spot alert as standard. For adaptive cruise control, you have to pay extra. Such is the case for the BMW. Cargo space. The X3 is quite a versatile SUV with plenty of cargo room available and a variety of interior storage solutions on hand. Behind the second row, you'll find a substantial 28.7 cubic feet of space, and with a quick pull of the release handles located in the rear, the row folds down to unveil 62.7 cubic feet of space. The door pockets are large and roomy, and the small compartment situated to the left of the steering wheel is much appreciated. There's also plenty of room for sizable child seats in the back. What's also impressive about the BMW X3 is its towing capacity of up to 4,400 pounds. Inside the GLC, storage continues to feel somewhat limited, and the way available space is used is not as effective as it is in the BMW. In fact, in the Mercedes, space is used more to give the feeling of luxury and abundance, with an official cargo capacity of 21.9 cubic feet behind the rear seats. The GLC lags behind average. However, the Merc does come with a handy 40-20-40 split rear seatback design that easily folds down nearly flat at the press of a button located in the cargo area. Additionally, installing car seats is straightforward, with easily accessible ISOFIX anchors and top tether anchors. Final verdict. Well, we're not in a courtroom, and the BMW X3 and the Mercedes-Benz GLC are not on trial for any missteps. Quite the opposite. They star in this video because choosing between them is a compelling dilemma. The BMW X3 exudes a lively character, boasting road manners akin to a sports sedan, much more than one might assume. However, its interior might not fully appease those seeking a luxury ambiance. On the other side, the Mercedes-Benz GLC embodies elegance, showcasing a plush interior, sophisticated aesthetics, and a slightly more prestigious badge adorning the front. Although it's reliable, potent, and friendly, it doesn't quite match the athletic prowess of the BMW. Hence, we're faced with a challenging choice.